he's going to go to the bullpen. So we'll take a break. We'll be back in a moment. All right, Dante Hatchett, the new pitcher for the Leprechauns. 4 appearances so far this year. Team leader in ERA, 1.29 earned run average. And his first pitch, I call the ball. Didn't miss by too much, but 1-0. Now breaking ball inside. That's in for a strike.
0-3-0-2-4-3.
McKenna laying off the entire time. So 1-1. Now the count. And the pitch inside. 2-1. Crowd is noticeably thinned out a little bit, given the temps keep dropping and Leprechauns trailing. But again, we've seen a lot of late inning heroics from this Leprechauns team in the past, so wouldn't put it past them, but they're going to have to string some hits together, get a rally going. First item of business, though, is keeping this just a 5-run ball game. Hatchet set to deliver, and the 2-2 pitch. That one fouled into the. Actually, that go out of play through the dugout.
Probably went into the dugout.
Yeah, it went into the dugout, then outside the dugout. And this one got to pay attention there, right by that door. That one was hit hard. So still 2 strikes, 2-2. Pitch to McKenna. That one popped up high, in play. Multiple Leprechauns converging on it. And then ultimately the catch by Abraham De La Cruz. So out number 2 as Emilio Luna comes up to bat.
Now batting shortstop, number 5, Emilio Luna.
Luna is the one, actually. They had the 3 RBIs. He's got 1 hit, but 3 key RBIs. McKenna had the first RBI. Gave Bakersfield 1-0 advantage, but it was Amelia had the back-breaking double, cleared the bases, and really helped give the Train Robbers a comfortable lead that they've had ever since. Up in the count, 2-0. Might be the power of the hoodie. Don't see that very often. 2-1.
I mean, it's not so often that you see it. I mean, obviously here, given the temperatures, and you're seeing it here. But when you go up to like major league, especially out here, whether you're out here in San Francisco watching the Giants, or you're down in Los Angeles, especially in those temperatures, it doesn't get to that point where you see normally, unless you start going out Midwest or to the East Coast or anything like that. But here in the Tri-Valley, it's not something out of the ordinary.
What's our temperature at right now? What did we say it was?
Temperature right now is 58. It's clear skies, which right now, I mean, I always say this. I mean, I've been living here in Dublin since, oh my God, almost 20 years now. And whole time that I've lived here, always great sunsets, regardless of whether it's windy or it's way too hot to stay outside or anything like that. Dublin and the whole Tri-Valley in general just has a great sunset just to relax.
And Luna swung on a miss, strike number 3. So nothing across for Bakersfield in their half of the 7th. Dublin has some work to do, but they're still in it, trailing 6-1, heading into the bottom of the 7th. All right. Count is 1-1 to Junpei Ohashi here in the top of the eighth. Dante Hatchett still on the mound for the Leprechauns. So the count is 2-1 and some of the Leprechaun faithful questioning that one. This one popped up into right field. And there we go. Damon Hale with the put out.
Right fielder number 3, Caleb Harmon.
For out number 1. Caleb Harmon now up. 1 for 3. Grounded to the pitcher in his last at bat. So again, Hatchett just trying to do his job and keep Dublin in it. 6-2 deficit. That one, nice pitch. Breaking ball back inside. I think that one definitely might have fooled Harmon. This one into Shell. A nice play. Outstanding job by Siniceros. And right on cue, we hear the outstanding music queued up. 6 unassisted as Siniceros climbs the ladder and makes the catch. I'll tell you what, we've seen some great plays defensively by the shortstops for both teams today. Robbing hits, robbing runs, and Hatchett just like that. 2 up and 2 down as Josiah Bowles up to bat. Second baseman 0 for 3 this evening. And pitch, call the ball, so 1-0 is the count. Hatchet again. That pitch just misses. 2-0. And a little high and inside, so Hatchett, after making relatively quick work of the first 2 batters, down 3-0 in the count now. That one's way inside again, ball 4, so 4 pitches, he walks him, and that's problematic because that brings up Ashanti Ross.
Center fielder, our former beer batter, number 9, Ashanti Ross.
Ross is 2 for 3 on the night with the walk, so he's reached base in 3 of his 4 at-bats, but also has been caught stealing twice, so he not happy about that. This one is grounded. Is that going to get through? That's a, yeah, Siniceros fields it, but wisely doesn't make any throw. There was no way.
Number 31, Joe Stark.
There was no way you're going to be able to catch Ross. All that speed getting down the line. And Bowles was already at second base. So just like that now, Bakersfield 2 runners on. Bowles at first, Bowles is at second, Ross is at first. And again, I'm sure Ross is going to want to look for a steal, unless it's a double steal though, because Bowles is at second. Of course, they might do that anyway. Try to get 2 runners into scoring position. Again, 6-2. Bakersfield's been in control throughout, but if Dublin can just get out of this inning, it still leaves the door open for a late inning comeback. This one is hit into left field to the wall, but caught. And that's out number 3. So Dublin and Dante Hatchett doing what he needs to do, keeping Bakersfield off the board for the 3rd consecutive inning. Going to the bottom of the 8th, Dublin trailing 6-2.